When people are so money hungry, what can you do? When your politicians, sometimes your politicians, after they leave office, oh, money, money, they go and work for China. They become their consultants. They teach China the Canadian tricks. So sometimes maybe the problem is not in China, but amongst yourself. How do you deal with your politicians? How do you deal with your business companies? If they are so crazy about money that they are willing to forsake all the values that we hold dear to our hearts, what do? Yeah, of course we should talk to China, but China is laughing because China knows your business people, your politicians are so eager to make money. So I think we have to look into ourselves first. Well, but anyway, I spoke to them like that. And I spoke to all foreigners like that too. And they say, oh, Miss Lau, wow, gee, you say things that others dare not say. I said, that's right, baby, because I want nothing from no one. After I left the Legislative Council in 2016, I have not had any paid employment. Nobody has offered me anything. Some say, God, the universities, they should ask you to teach or do some lecturing. I said, no, zero offer. No, none from anyone. And I don't care. That's the thing. If you tell them you don't care about money, you don't care about fame, how can they get you? But if you are crazy about those things and you're crazy about women or men, they will